Good morning, grade 8. Let's see set 8.3 question number 3. Construct parallelogram ABCD such that length AB is 7 cm, angle ABC is given as 40 degrees and length AB is 3 centimeters. Now as you know, every time we first draw rough diagram and according to that then we'll be drawing the fair diagram. Alright. So first let's draw the rough diagram. See now, parallelogram, that means it is quadrilateral first of all. Let us name it. Angle B is given. So B should be coming at the base. So A, B, C and D. Now remember all the properties of parallelogram. First property, opposite sides are equal. So let us see the sides which are given. This is BC is 7 cm. Angle B is 40 degree. I hope you are able to see this. Alright. Then AB is given as 3. So if this is 3, this is also 3. If this is 7, this is also 7. Opposite angles are also equal. So if this is 40, this automatically becomes 40 degrees. First of all. And if this is Y, then this also becomes Y. Isn't it? Now what we know, sum of all angles of quadrilateral is 360. So 40 plus 40 is 80. And Y plus Y is 2Y. This comes out to be 360. Alright. So how much will be 2y equal to? 2y will be equal to 360 minus 80. Alright. So 2y will be equal to 360 minus 80 will be 16 minus 8 is 8. It is 280. So y will be equal to 280 upon 2, which is equal to 140 degrees. So this is also 140 and this is also 140. Have you got, everybody? So now we'll be drawing the parallelogram with one base angle as 40 and another base angle as 140 degrees. We got y as 140 degrees, no? So let us take this as now 140 degree. Have you understood? Alright. So this will be 140 degrees now. Okay. So y is 140. Now we'll be constructing here 40, here 140, this is 3 and this is 7. This is 3, this is 7. So let's start the construction. First of all 7 centimeter we are going to draw. So first draw 7 centimeters. So this is 7 centimeters and this is your B and C. How much is angle B? 40 degrees. And this is your which hand side? 40 degrees. We have already learned this, no? How to draw the angles. This is your left hand side. So Lena word, remember, inside scale we are going to use. Okay. You can see the earlier videos. Okay. So we have 40 degrees inside scale. So 40 degrees comes out to be over here. Alright. So join this now. This comes out to be 40 degrees. Done. Now angle C is how much? 140 degrees. Just now we have found out, no? Y, which is equal to angle C and angle A. So it is 140 degrees. Now here you are keeping your protractor at your right hand side. So Ross word means outside scale we are going to use. Yes or no? So outside scale and 140 degrees. So outside 140 comes out to be here. Alright. So this is 140. Now join this also. So let me join this. Okay. So this is your 40 degrees and this is your 140 degrees. Is this clear? Okay. This is 7 centimeter. This will be 3 centimeters. So take compass and take 3 centimeters in your compass. So we are taking 3 centimeters. Exactly 3. Alright. So this is exactly 3 centimeters I have taken in the compass. And now B to A is 3. So I'm going to put it over here and make an arc like this. So where I'm cutting, that is point A. And C to D, opposite sides are equal. So this is also 3 centimeter. Got it? So we got 2 points. So this point where it has cut is nothing but A. And this point where it has cut is nothing but D. Now join AD. And see, it also comes exactly to be 7 centimeters. Can you see that? So opposite sides are equal. Okay, now for joining purpose, I am moving the scale. Be very careful. Okay. See. So your A, B, C, D is your required parallelogram. Okay. I hope you have understood the construction. Okay. So you can see A, B, C, D is the required parallelogram. Opposite angles, that means this also will be 40 degrees. This will be 140 degrees. This is 7 centimeters. This is 3 centimeters. This also 7 centimeters. 3 centimeters. So this completes your construction. So please use sharp pencil and draw by yourself. This work you have to do in the rough column. Here I have done over here for you to see, but you can use your rough column which is at your right hand side in the margin. Alright. So that's all for today, students. Thank you.